And news just coming in, Zydus' COVID drug, Virafin, gets a nod for treating mild COVID symptoms. Now, Zydus' medicine gets a nod for emergency use. This is some relief. There is a shortage. There is, of course, a lot of experimentation. Some doctors say remdesivir works in some cases. Some doctors say remdesivir does not work. Some say hydroxychloroquine works. Some says hydroxychloroquine does not work. So there is a lot of confusion. Amidst this confusion comes the information that Zydus' COVID drug has got a nod for treating mild COVID symptoms. I quickly want to cut across to India Today. Sneha Mordani for more on the story. Sneha, bring us details.
Yes, this comes as big news and a big relief, Gaurav, given the fact that concerns have been raised about, the effectiveness of the other medicines that are being used right now, with medical evidence suggesting that there is very little use of the existing medicines. They're only being used to manage the infection to some extent, including remdesivir. This is Zydus Cadilac's drug that has got the emergency use authorization in India, and it's called Virafin. It is going to be used to treat infections in those people who have moderate infection. It's a single dose, and it can be, in fact, administered early on in the infection, and that is going to essentially help in controlling, to an extent, the disease. In fact, the company has also said that there is evidence to believe that this particular medicine leads to early discharge in patients, and within 7 days or so, the COVID patients' negative RT-PCR results come out. Essentially, within 7 days, the viral load in the body gets reduced to a great extent, is what is being claimed by the company. The approval, of course, is coming from the regulator, and more than 91%, and remember, that's a huge number that the company is talking about, on the basis of which the drug regulator has given the approval. More than 91% of the patients treated with this particular drug were RT-PCR negative by day 7. Okay. And it is reducing, Gaurav, this is most important, this is reducing the hours of supplemental oxygen in the patient. So the problems that we are seeing right now with this drug now being used in the country is going to help in treating patients of moderate infection and prevent them from slipping into severe infection.
Okay, Sneha, how is this administered, this drug? And you're saying it's a single-use drug. When does it come into the market? Will it only be given to hospitals since it's emergency use?
The details that we have with us right now is as follows. This medicine, the company says, is going to be available on the prescription of medical specialists for use in a hospital or an institutional setup. So clearly, we can't be buying it over the counter and popping it like any other pill. That's certainly not happening. That is what the company has said. Also, as to whether this is going to be administered. In fact, Gaurav, I would just want to tell you that I'm waiting for more details on that front. But what I can just share right now is another important piece of information, is that the company is claiming that in the trials, and this was about in 25 centers in the country, this drug had shown lesser need for supplemental oxygen, indicating that it was able to control respiratory distress. Gaurav, you and I both know that in the second wave of the infection, there's been a 13% increase in demand for oxygen, something that the government of India has also spoken about. So this comes even as better news at this time, when we're seeing so many people wanting oxygen in the country, because this drug has data to back it, saying that it is able to control respiratory distress and also failure. And this has been a major challenge this time around, the second wave of the infection. Also, the company is claiming that the drug has shown efficacy against other viral infections as well. I'm going through more, some of the details about how it is administered right now, but the company keeps on saying this, that if given early, when the onset of the infection.
This is great news, Sneha. I will come back to you for more when we have more details. Sneha Mordani, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. So this controls respiratory distress, and this would be a cause for great relief when it's there in the market. There's more breaking news that's coming in.